Hey everyone, how it's going? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to reverse a video on Capcut PC. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. So I have already imported a video that we are going to use in this tutorial. Let's add the video to the timeline. Now let's play the video without reversing it. So you guys can see the difference once we do the reverse on the video. Now right-click on the mouse, go to Edit, and click on the second option called Reverse. Now Capcut will process the video and it will take time depending on how long your video is. Mine was just 7 seconds long. Now let's play the video and see the difference. That's how you can reverse a video on Capcut PC. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. And if you want to know how to zoom in Capcut PC, then watch this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.
I know you told